The mirror whose reflecting surface is on inside of the curved surface is called as concave mirror because it forms like a cave inside. Now that we know what a spherical mirror is, we will see what are some terms related to the concave mirror. That terms will be useful in tracing the formation of images. The center of the mirror is called its pole and it is denoted by P. The center of the sphere of which the mirror forms a part is called as center of the curvature and it is denoted by C. The radius of that same sphere of which the mirror is part is called as radius of curvature denoted by R, and the line passing through the pole and the center of curvature is called as principal axis of the mirror. This line is perpendicular to the mirror at the pole. In the case of a concave mirror, the rays converge after reflection. The point at which all the rays parallel to the principal axis meet and converge after reflection is called as the principal focus or the focal point of the concave mirror. When an object is placed in front of a concave mirror, the image formation by the concave mirror is real and inverted. Further, as the distance between the mirror and the object increases, the image gets closer to the mirror. The image becomes small than the object when the object is beyond the center of curvature.